So in this, you have to enter your company's ID first. Whatever company ID you have, you just add and just continue. In this, you can register your device. First, just enter your username you have, just add it. Next, enter your password. In this, you have to add your password here, whatever password you have. I'm just adding, for example, whatever password is mine, I'm just adding. You can add according to you, and just click on login button. So it will be login like this. So it will ask you this question, just click on OK button, and then you can see this synced. Just click on next button. In the second step, you can set up your emergency password. For example, suppose you don't have connection, like internet connection, at the time of opening the door, so you can make that emergency password, so door will be open automatically. Just set up the password according to you. I'm just adding mine, and just click on next button. In this, if you want that app should be give sound, just enable it by this, and just click on next button. So do you want to connect with door controller? Just click on yes button. In this, you can set up the duration, like device turn on duration, like in that duration door will be open. In the seconds, you can select here, you can add milliseconds. In milliseconds you can add, and just connect, and it is searching for door controller devices. In this way, pairing door controller device. This way you can pair your Bluetooth the device. You just usually just enter the password, that is 1234, and just pair it with the
Device
Bluetooth.
connected successfully.
So it will be fully connected.